Hello, ma'am. Why are you MIA? I have so many questions to ask. MIA? What does that even mean, Minnie? Oh, ma'am. MIA means missing in action. Oh, okay. MIA is missing in action. I was MIA because I was under the weather. Under the weather? Under what? Oh, Minnie, stop. Under the weather means I was keeping unwell. Okay. I have a question. Ma'am, I used to think that the word to always shows some direction. But I have been hearing people tell me, listen to me, or maybe got married to. I'm not understanding what are the different ways this word to can be used. Oh, don't worry, you are not alone, Minnie. To is actually very commonly, or I can say most used preposition, and yes, it has different uses. In today's video, we will discuss and see how to is used in different ways. To is more than just a direction word. Let's break it down with real life examples. We use to for a direction or a destination. Okay, like I'm going to the market. Correct. To show movement from one place to another, like he is going to the park, or maybe he is going to Mumbai. We also use to when we talk about some recipient, means somebody who gets something. Okay, so I gave chocolate to Jake. Exactly. Like she wrote a letter to her friend, or maybe she said sorry to him. We also use to before a verb. I love to dance, I love to eat, and I love to sleep. Yes, Minnie, exactly. And remember, the verb when used after to is in its base form, like to study, to eat, to swim, to shop, to sleep. We also use it for comparison, as in when comparing one thing with another. Oh, I prefer tea to coffee. Correct, Minnie. Like she likes painting to dancing. Remember, to me, when I'm using here, it is basically an informal way to say. The better word will be than when used for comparison. Like we also use to for when we want to show a relationship or maybe a connection. She is married to a doctor. Exactly. Like he is loyal to his friends, or this car belongs to my father. It is also used to show the hour or the time. Oh, yes, it's 6:45. Good 1 minute, like 10 minutes to 6 or 5 to 9. It is also used to show some reaction or emotion towards something. Like, that song is important to me. Perfect. Like, her voice is soothing to the baby, or it sounds strange to me. It is also used to show a purpose or a result. Like to plus a verb, I study hard to succeed. Yeah, that means you study in order to succeed. Like he runs daily to stay fit, or we can also say she practiced a lot to win the game. To is also used to show attachment or belongingness. Okay, give the keys to the guard. Yes, Minnie, because it shows who owns or receives something. To is also used in some idiomatic phrases. To be honest, to my surprise, or to the point, some degree, or to a great extent. Yes, Minnie, you got them all correct. Now let's do a recap. So when can we use to? We use to when we talk about a direction, or maybe when we talk about recipient. It is also used as an infinitive verb. We use it for comparison, relationship, time, emotion, purpose, ownership, and idioms. I'm sure even all of you have understood the concept of to in sentences. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also, if you want to know more about in, on, and at, please go back and check our videos. Thank you so much.